Today I'm taking the VEVOR hot air rework station. So it comes with instructions, comes with a tool. We got 3 extra nozzles. We got 2 pairs of tweezers, so one is an angled and one is a straight. Comes with a silicone mat. And we've got the rework station. I appreciate this actually has a switch on the front. A lot of them they actually put on the back, so you have to reach behind the unit to turn it on and off. So glad they put that there. We got our temp adjustment, we got our presets, and we got our air control. Okay, cool. So it does have a sleep mode. So you can take this guy off, drop it back on, and it automatically goes back to sleep. All right, so right now we're at 100 degrees. One thing I can definitely say I like about it right now is that even at full speed, this is not very loud. So when you press the button, it does go up a single digit. And if we press and hold, we can get that to go up quickly. I usually run at about 350. And that heats up pretty quick. So that's excellent. So channel 1 preset is 200, then we got 300 and 400. So I'm going to press and hold channel 2, and we will set that to 350. There we go. So now I got my preset for 400, 350, and 200. So our nozzles are just going to press on. All right. And let's take off some components. Cool. There we go. Nice. And then when we set it back up, it immediately starts going back to sleep. So that's awesome. I think the biggest thing about this one that I find right now is just the fact that it heats up so quickly. So we can't make it go to sleep, so we can save power. And we need this thing back going. That is ready to go, I would say, within 10 seconds. So that's awesome. Cool. So if hot air is a useful tool for you, especially if you're doing something like soldering or desoldering, this is going to be an excellent option.